Today we are looking at the Samsung WW90K6414QW washing machine in white. The Samsung AddWash WW90K6414QW washing machine provides excellent energy efficiency and features smart control, to let you control and monitor the washing via your smartphone. Smart control don't let laundry days tie you down. Thanks to Samsung's innovative smart features, you can control your washing machine using an app on your smartphone. Whether you're at home or outside, simply connect to a wireless network to start, pause or monitor washing cycles. You can even receive alerts to let you know when a cycle is finished, so there's no waiting around. Super convenient, designed with busy, modern households in mind. The WW90K6414QW has features to make everyday washing easier and a generous 9 kg capacity. The AddWash door lets you add anything into the machine at any time during a cycle. Whether it's a stray sock you left in the laundry basket or a delicate item that just needs a final rinse. You can even pop in an extra bit of fabric softener for bigger loads. Super fast washing the whole family's laundry can take time. The WW90K6414QW's Super Speed Wash uses a twin water supply to allow the drum to fill up faster and reduce rinsing times. Speed Spray shoots powerful jets of water directly into your clothes and can wash a 5 kg load in just 59 minutes. Washing features. The Samsung Bubble Soak technology helps to remove a wide variety of the toughest stains. By adding an extra wash phase to a normal cycle, it ensures clothes are thoroughly soaked in bubbles, so dirt and stains are loosened and removed easily. EcoBubble technology also helps you save energy on heavy laundry days, by washing large loads at lower temperatures. The WW90K6414QW uses air and water to generate bubbles, which dissolve detergent more effectively, so it can penetrate deep inside clothes fabric. Simply select the Super Eco Wash cycle and wash clothes in cool water as efficiently as warm water. Smart technology. The washing machine's digital inverter motor delivers superior energy efficiency, minimal noise and long-lasting performance. Using strong magnets, it provides a quieter and more powerful performance, while consuming less energy than a standard motor. By using high-quality components and mechanical engineering, the brushless motor is backed up by a 10-year motor warranty for added peace of mind. Thanks to Samsung Smart Check, you can also automatically diagnose and troubleshoot problems using the smartphone app and save searching through the manual. Get the most out of your Samsung AddWash WW90K6414QW washing machine and enjoy excellent energy efficiency, smart control and great washing results.